Yeah, get the video.
There we go. First one of the day? What, 5 minutes in? There we go. You'll see the boat and take off. So when he's going down like that in the boat, try to pop him out behind you. I know it's easy to sit with that. Oh, you're taking home a souvenir. We got the There we go, that's a nice one. Okay, I'm gonna go, nice little dinosaur, eh? Right on, guys, first one out of the day. You want these out? No, that one we can have up.
We're still going.
We just got a double header here. Nice.
Wes, the camera's running on the seat.
Wes, you're going to have to...
All you got to do is point it.
Oh, that's a nice one, eh? Is he running? We got a double header? Yeah, he's shaking that head down there. Let's see this one. Oh yeah. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Well, I'll put a document. There we go. And a nice double header. Yeah. Congratulations, boys.
Beneath the surface, consuming, confusing. This lack of self-control I fear is never ending. Control. I can't seem to find myself again. My walls are closing in. beside my own reflection.
Go.
It's haunting how I can't seem to find myself again. My walls are closing in.
Not a sense of confidence. I'm convinced that there's just too much pressure to take.
I felt this way before. So insecure.
I'll take him out there. Yeah.
Crawling in my skin. These wounds, they will not heal. Fear is how I fall. Confusing what is real. Crawling in my skin. These wounds, they will not heal. Fear is how I fall. Confusing what is real. Confusing what is real. Extract yourself from shoulders, never confusing what is real.
Yeah. There we go. Another beautiful sturgeon. Yeah.
Turn, smart.
Turn. Nice. How's the day so far?
Good, this is a good one. It's our 8th or 9th
Yeah.
Sturgeon.
Damn good. Yeah, reel that in. Reel him in. Taking those arms or what? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, here he
There's the
comes.
lead. Okay.
He's going to jump. Jump.
Now where'd you get that platinum chain with them
We lost
diamond
the
in it?
8-footer.
Where'd you get that
West
magic
managed
beans
to,
with them windows tinted?
Oh, here he comes,
Who
West.
them
Gonna
girls
jump on
you
you.
be with when you be riding through? Man, I ain't got nothing to prove. I paid my dues, breaking the rules and shake fools while I'm taking the cruise. Tell me who's your weed man? How do you smoke so good? You's a superstar, boy. Why you still up in the hood? What in the world is in that bag? What you got in that bag? A couple of cans of whoop ass.
Don't
You
make
did
a
good ass
mistake,
job of just
Wes.
eyeing me, spying me. I got my twin Glock 40.
West. Okay, let's get him in here. Number 11.
Yeah, this will be a well. Hands up in the boat.
There you go.
Yeah, Jay. What do you think about this? Huh? Got a tail walker here.
Oh, yeah, what's your buddy here? Yeah. Here it goes. Yeah, I got it.
Who's that bucket naked cook fixing 3-course meals? Getting goosebumps when a body taps the 6-inch heels. What in the world is in that room?
Yeah.
What you got in that room? A couple of gas, a couple of knives, couple of rats, a couple of wives. Now it's time to choose.
Jump. Let him go. Oh, almost.
Darn.
To the boat. Don't fall, because we're going to have to do a search and rescue.
James.
Yeah, it's definitely nice. Yeehaw! Got another Okay. Slow down, slow down. Tell me when. Okay, don't worry. Yeah. Yep. Passing the rock. Okay. There we go. You got it? There we go, boys. We'll hold them up in a minute.
James Bond.
Oh yeah. What do you guys think? Definitely good? Fourth left. Yeah. Still get some enough. Oh yeah. Almost ready. There he goes. Nice job, guys. Count for you, 11. There he goes. Almost. High five! Yeah! Definitely good. No doubt. Good, boys. Good job. Yeah.
Nice job. Good drive.
Nice.